Hey everybody, welcome to Math Mountain. Say hello to my little minion friend. He's on top of Math Mountain. Let's take a look at this Math Mountain. My Math Mountain has my whole number on the top, and there are two boxes on the bottom with nothing in it. Those are going to be my parts. Each number at the top of the mountain has two parts to make the whole. This is Minion Mountain, so I have to have some minions. Let's see what happens when I put minions on my mountain. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm running out of room. We'll put number 10 down here. I have 10 minions on one side of the mountain. So I'm going to put the number 10 in this box. I have 10 down here. How many do I have on the other side of the mountain? You're right, I have 0 on this side of the mountain.